What's up guys, so today we will be making a really cute heart-shaped deco mesh wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need: a heart-shaped wreath ring. You guys, this is $1. That's insane. Deco mesh. I decided to use hot pink and soft pink, but you can use whatever colors you choose. These are both 6 inches. I have chenille stems, scissors or a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. Well, first thing we are going to do is cut the deco mesh, both colors, into 8-inch long pieces. And you can make it longer or shorter, whatever fits your liking, but I feel like 8 inches is a pretty decent size. Okay, so I'm thinking I will place 4 or 5 bundles in each of these 4 large sections, and then maybe 2 at the bottom and 2 or 3 at the top. I really want to kind of start placing it and then see exactly how many I need. So I think I'm going to make 20 bundles just to be safe. So each bundle will have 2 of the soft pink and 2 of the hot pink. So I'll need 4 of the 8-inch pieces for each bundle. And since I'm doing 20 bundles, that's 80 pieces of deco mesh. So I'll go ahead and cut that, and if I need more, then I'll just cut that later. So once you get all of your pieces cut, we are going to start making our bundles. So remember I said you'll need 2 of the soft pink and 2 of the hot pink. And they pretty much already curled themselves, but I'm just going to recurl to make them a little bit tighter. And I'm going to alternate the soft pink and the hot pink. I'm just crossing them over each other like that and holding them in my fingers. Just roll, roll. Like that. And like that. So this is what it's going to look like. You just scrunch it together in the center and twist it together with the chenille stem a couple of times. See, that's so cute and curly and girly. It's just adorable. Okay, let's make another. We need 4 pieces, 2 of the soft pink and 2 of the hot pink. And you are just going to curl it a little tighter. And I'm going to alternate which color I put on top. I had hot pink on the top the last time, so let's go with soft pink on top this time. Just like that. Scrunch it together. And place it. Place the chenille stem in place and twist it. So this is what they're looking like. Alright, I like to go ahead and make all of my bundles before I get started. I'm going to make 20 bundles, and then I'll start placing it, and then I'll be able to tell exactly how many I want, if I want more or less. So let's finish up and then I'll be back. Alright, so I have my heart-shaped ring. And so the difference with this only has 3 rings instead of 4. I usually like to place the chenille stems on the inner 2 rings. But since I only have 3, here's what I'm going to do. The first time I'm going to place it on the inner 2. The inner 2 just like that. And then the next time I'm going to place it on the outer 2. And then the inner 2. And then the outer 2. And I'm just going to keep alternating inner, outer, inner, outer. I mean, you could just put it right in the inner, but I don't feel like it's enough to kind of, you know, keep it really sturdy. But I mean, it's definitely an option. I'm going to go ahead and get the first one placed right here. And just twist it a couple of times. And then once you get more placed, you'll be able to adjust it more and modify it as you want. First one around the inner 2. So you can see. The next one I'm going to place on the outer 2. Just like that. And twist it in place. And then you'll be able to adjust it and modify it more as you place more. Next one, inner 2. And outer 2. Just 4 bundles. As you can see, it's already nice and poofy. So that's what I'm thinking. 4 bundles, 4, 4, 4, and then maybe 1 or 2 in the top and the bottom. So I'm going to keep going all the way around the ring. Alright, so I actually only ended up using 18 bundles, 4 in my main sections and 1 in the top and 1 in the bottom. And it's already very, very poofy. If you want it poofier, you can definitely add more. If you want it less poofy, then add less for sure. Alright, so now I'm just shaping it. Let me show you how the back looks. So this is what it looks like. And what I like to do so they're not just sticking all over the place, I just like twist them down and twist them to each other. So it's like connecting as it comes around. Just like that. And I just go all the way around, just twisting it together, just to make it a little more calm. In no specific way, just grab some and twist. And do the same with the other side. Just so they're all tucked away. Alright, so let's finish fluffing the front. So cute and poofy. So nice poofy Valentine's Day heart. So cute and girly. Again, you can change the colors. You can do red and white. If you want to just make other funky colors, you can definitely do that. Just have fun with it. You can add like styrofoam hearts. Any extra decor that you would like.